Okay, so from my conclusions, this should actually work. So I made, well, so this is the DP tree and it creates weights. And so what I did, I took this one and I just cloned it, and what you'll get is this kind of weight map, but I selected these polygon or these points, and then I added weight value of 300 on those, and that will make those small branches way more in the wind, which kind of works, but I haven't quite figured out how to do it. I mean, I can animate the tree. Unfortunately, I can like remove that animation, but anyway. Let's just turn off, you know what, I'll just turn off the wind effector and see if I calculate this now. Yeah, it's not going to do much. Let's see if I can copy the motion. Never remember how to, let's see, animate. There is, let's see, load save. Where is it? Okay, so I can copy, and I never ever remember. Yeah, that's kind of like the same as it covers one. The thing is, you do have, and I think that's built in. You got the copy. Motion file, no. Come on. Okay, I'll try it. Here we go, motion copy, motion paste. Paste, where is that? Under additional? Are you kidding me? Ah. Okay, it shouldn't be there. I don't know why it's there, because it's needed. So, I don't know, I'll just go here then. And go like that. Okay, so let's take that null, motion copy. And hopefully, if I go for this one, let's say motion paste, there we go. And why didn't that work? Yeah, because this one is active. Okay, that's, the Y channel is obviously totally wrong. That's strange. Oh, it's, yeah, it's locked to 5 meters. So let's set that to 0. So now we copy that motion and set it down to this area. I'm just gonna, yeah. I can just rotate this slightly. Actually, I'm just going to say copy motion, or motion copy on this one, then rotate it. So we got this kind of motion. Let's see though, if I say motion paste now, what will it do? Will it fix that back to where it was? Yeah, good. So, I don't know, maybe you want to do that at times, just copy it. Anyway, this is not nothing to do with that. Yeah, so did it work? Kind of. Calculate, and yeah, so you can see it's kind of like using that weight map. Let's see. Yeah, I need to just turn this off. And I think I need to turn that one off as well. Wow. Yeah. This is set to... Is that why? Yeah, okay. So you can kind of like see how that works. That you can actually, if you do this in a more of a subtle way, then you should be able to create some branches that actually kind of work all right. You can also add wind, and you can also add a collision object, but yeah, I haven't really looked into that. This one is just animated. The power of this procedural is just following that null object that we got here. But that is not active now. All I did was actually, let's see. All I did was actually animate the tree and use these settings. Not sure if this needs to be exclusive collision with that one. Let's see if I say none. Yeah. But this you might want to take the exclusive collision for, let's see. Yeah, you might want to use the null move there if you choose to use it, the collision object. But I'm not, I mean, I haven't used SoftFX that much. All I know is that it's very fast, and it actually creates predictable results. It will not yeah, it doesn't have the problems that any cloth dynamics algorithm has, like ClothFX or Bullet or actually SideFlex doesn't have that. SideFlex actually works kind of like SoftFX, if I'm not wrong, because it's more of a deformer based thing. SideFlex is just really advanced though. But yeah, so this creates predictable results if you know what you're doing. I kind of don't quite, I'm just testing this, but maybe this could be something that you could look into in order to create dynamics for branches. Of course, I exaggerated the heck out of this. So if I go like, let's see, if I just deactivate this a bit and move it here. Yeah, this is just more of a subtle effect, really. We'll calculate that over again. And still a very strong effect. But I'm sure we can lower that. Of course, a tree wouldn't move like that, but I'm just testing a bit. So I'm not, yeah, that's it for now. I will share this scene if you want to test it further. Yeah. So this is not a finished project at all. It just shows you that maybe SoftFX could be used for animating branches as well. So of course you would not animate the tree itself, you would animate a knoll. But I think you should use the wind actually, and some setting like this. Let's just go for this one, this tree here. Oops, that's the wrong one again. So if I calculate that now, yeah, so that's branches are moving, which is more of what you want, but it just doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't work quite the way I want it, really. Maybe it's not impossible that you would actually be forced to use FX link or something like that. I'm not sure. I mean a hard link. Metalink, I guess. Metalink. Because you can see that when I animate this, these branches don't really keep their volume, and that's the big gotcha that I didn't quite get to work. Yeah, because I can't really get it to keep the volume, so I did try this, but it just is, yeah. You can see it behaves like that instead, which is really interesting, but yeah, no. Yeah, you know, that's actually not that bad. You know, that's actually not that bad. But yeah. It would be better, I guess, to use hard link, meta link. Let's see, I just want to change the scale of this one so it doesn't change, I guess. Because let's just try this. I'm not quite satisfied, but yeah. Didn't help all that much. Alright, anyway, done with this testing. Maybe I'll get back to it, maybe I won't, but anyway, I'll share the scene. So if you want to play with it, go ahead. And again, the reason for doing this is because it's fairly easy to set this up in using SoftFX, and also it calculates quite fast. You can also, of course, use tab that, and we'll go into subdivision mode. And if I calculate now, I can see that it's not that bad. It doesn't. It actually calculates in a fairly fast way, and this is of course on my really slow computer, so it calculates 1 frame per second. This is a slow computer, so yours will calculate 5 times faster, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can of course save the dynamics as an MDD file. If I play that back now, yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, it's not playing in real time, so. So, yeah, unfortunately not a finished project. I'm just testing, but maybe you find it interesting, so I'll just share the scene.